you and know we together, but you steady choosing. Swear I can now win for losing. I've been out here being faithful. I always got this on lockdown, but that ain't been keeping us stable. So I guess I know what I gotta do. Give you a taste of your own medicine. Hey, yeah. How would you like
another video. So I got another hair slay for you guys, and I'm presenting to you the best straight hair ever that I discovered. So before further ado, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you do all that, girl. I know you clicked on this video for a reason, girl. You clicked on it because you know this video is finna be lit, you know it's finna be popping, you know it's about to be everything. So you might as well subscribe, girl, for more. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so this is how my hair is looking now. We just gonna get this hair bone straight to the gods, honey. And first of all, before I even start, y'all see how nice this hair is? Like, I did not flat iron this hair at all. You know, all I did was customize the wig, you know, cut the lace, did the baby hair, bleach and all that. The flat iron I'm gonna be using, oh my, when you want somebody to shut up, oh my god, like imagine that. Oh my god, I was screaming. But the flat iron I'm gonna be using is the Infinite Pro flat iron, and it's by Klaiyi. Before you flat iron your hair, whether it's your real hair or, you know, weave or whatever, use this heat protector spray. It will protect your hair and it will make the hair nice shiny. It will make the hair shiny and silky. So I'm just gonna be spraying. I'm gonna do my hair in sections. I like to straighten my hair the lazy way because, honey, I don't be having a patience. And, you know, I apply that much. And I have this on, let's see, so this is actually electronic, so I'm gonna have it on 392 because we want our hair to be bone straight. So let me tell you about what I got. So I discovered this don't ask why I don't got a top, girl. You know, I lose tops real easily. So this Care styling wax stick. I saw everybody using this for their lace fronts, you know, to really get the hair nice and flat, you know, to tame the flyaways. And I was like, girl, let me see. So I went to the beauty supply store. They was like, oh, this is $17.99. $17.99. So I was like, you know what, just give me it, you know. I was just being bougie. So I got this, and it works actually pretty good. And you just push it up like that, and then basically, you know, just rub it on it now. And this helps lay the hair very flat to the side. It's because this hair is also like very flat, you know. I don't really have to do much to it. But I will show you guys how to do this on hair that, you know, it's hard to lay flat. It's nice and flat, looking all that, you know. So yeah, guys, let me tell you about this hair. Like, this hair is so This hair is life. This hair is everything. So this hair is from Klaiyi hair, and honestly, this is my favorite company. If I would have to recommend any other hair company, I would recommend Klaiyi hair because their hair is the bomb. It's the bomb. Like literally, they have the best curly hair and you have the best straight hair. Like with other companies, when I get straight hair, it'd be so much flyaways. It's just ridiculous. This company, no flyaways. Like, I don't have to worry about excessive shedding. I don't have to worry about nothing. And what I'm wearing now, I have a 13x4 frontal on. Now I have some long limbs because you know it's getting real cold. It's getting cold. It was cold before, but it's getting cold now. So you know you gotta bundle up and you know. Bundle up, girl. Get some more bundles in your head. 2 bundles of 24 inches and 2 bundles of 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal. So now, let me just show y'all the shape test. Do y'all see it? Do you see it? Winter hair. This is like the winter hair that I love. Like, I love when it get cold outside just so I can wear just so I can wear some long hair, honey. Like, oh my God, I couldn't do this in the summertime. When I bleached the frontal didn't shed. It took the bleach pretty well. You know, I just plucked the hairline, you know, did the extra usual customization or whatever, but I'm loving this. I had Klaiyi hair before and their hair is popping, so just trust me, honey, that this hair will last you, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below what other videos you want to say, okay, honey? And yeah, baby, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. You hear me?